Here we go. This is my premier, for the most part anyway, jazz stroke jungle kit. Called a jungle kit because it's got an actual floor tom to bass drum conversion.
It's because he monkeys around.
Exactly. So it's a 16-inch pearl floor tom now, which is a bass drum. We have here a Premier 10-inch Cabria tom and a Premier APK power tom, which is 13-inch. Cymbals are just the that's an Istanbul Crash, a Stag Ride, a Dream Crash, Vinyl Custom Shop hi-hats I believe, and a Pace Splash cymbal. So there you go. End of the tale, and I'll just show you. That's Dave, that's Barry, that's John, and together we are
the MEERKATS!